Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs and you are absolutely welcome or welcome back on my creative channel. And this month we are doing ink and watercolor advent calendar. Today is day 3 and I am so happy to start. Let's see what do we have for day 3 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar. Yes, so we have the cinnamon sticks. If you are ready, let's get started. Everything about the supplies I showed you in the first video of the 3 preparation videos, and you can find them listed below. Let me just show you. That was day 1 and day 2. So let's just start with today prompt, and we have the cinnamon sticks, and I think we can make 3 of them. Let me just take this same tape that I used in the previous ones. Okay, let's see, somewhere here I have this. So I have this burnt sienna, I have burnt umber. I will use very transparent burnt sienna for my first layer. So I will make 1 stroke like this, and I will make another stroke just next to it. I will grab burnt umber and add it here on the edge and here like a circle. I keep it very light. We will add line work for the details, so it will be fine. And then here, all right. And then I will make 1 more. Which side? Okay, let's do it here. Like this. A bit more dark on the sides, and there is the circle here because this is where we see. Okay, I'm just adding a few dark tones. That's gonna be it. I can grab a little bit of burnt umber to make a few splatters. If you don't like splatters, you can keep it simple. I really like splashing a little bit, and because it's still wet, you can see it goes into my cinnamon sticks. You can take clean brush and dry and spread it around. It's going to be fine. All right, I will make this dry and add a few line works. Okay, I will write day 3, and while it's drying I will add my line works. Day 3. You can skip writing the days. I just wanted to make it I don't know, more adventy when adventy. I don't know if there's such a word, but okay, never mind. And then we will sketch some outlines. Then here I will just do this So it looks like there is, you know, it's like in a row. So you make one extra circle inside, one on the outside, and then we can add a few long lines like this. This circle should be kind of the same like this one here. We can add a few curved lines for some extra details, just like this. And let's do the same for the other two. Because they're in the back, I will not make lines here, so they are just behind the one on the top. Okay. So I am sketching. Alright, let's add some detail lines here, maybe a few here, and let's do the same. You can just make it darker. It's like I am sketching the spiral. You can also sketch the outlines first, following the template I prepared. If you are a member on my Patreon page, if you are not, definitely check it out. Okay. And I really want to add one last thing. I will grab a little bit of burnt umber, we'll tap it on paper, on the towel, and we'll make this part here slightly darker because it is just inside. Okay, and adding one small layer, one brush stroke here, which is actually the shadow. Okay, I think these are my cinnamon rolls, and sometimes it happens that maybe we are not very happy as we thought we would be. So that's why, if this happens, I will ask you to go back to the mindset preparation video and watch it, so you will be always happy after your sketch. Okay, I think this is it. If you share your work somewhere on the socials, don't forget to tag me so I will see it and I can share it also on my stories. That was it for day 3. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my Patreon page if you need early access to the videos and the outlines for the illustrations. Subscribe for my channel. This will definitely make me very happy, and I will see you in day 4. Bye.